Sergio, welcome back. A brand new video. Me and my cousins that do slime today, and I think she's getting ready to make slime. There's my cousin. Say hi. No, I guess she's too shy. And let's do this. All right, you guys. I'm here with my cousin Gracie. You guys already saw the beginning of the intro. It's not a surprise no more.
Okay, so I want to show y'all the slimes that I already made. I made this one. It's like a bluish, whitish color. And it's not that sticky.
What's the glitter for?
The glitter is for if you want to add glitter, okay? I made this before the video.
And then what's this?
Those are foam beads.
Foam beads. Can we eat them?
No, like I put them in here. This one's kind of hard because I made it like a week ago, so yeah. And so we have the ingredients here. I'm just put this to the side.
Or the slime.
And he doesn't know how to make slime, so I'm gonna teach him.
I don't know how to make slime.
So
what's the fork for?
To mix it.
Oh,
all the ingredients.
What's this?
And then we have white or clear glue.
White. Cool.
And then we have foam beads if you want to add
this is the part of the ingredients too.
And yeah, and then
I don't
glitter.
know what's this.
This is Tide because
Tide, clean your clothes.
No, to make it all activated to make it into slime, because I had an activator I had activator, but it already ran out. Look, this one, the magical liquid, but there's only a little bit, so whoever wants to use it.
Right.
And we got this many glitter, okay? And we got
sorts of colors, guys. Sorts of colors.
And then we got the
plastic forks.
The plastic. And then we got napkin, just in case. Okay? Napkin.
Yeah, we got tools here to do this stuff.
Okay, and then we got a bowl for him. And a fork. He can dry it. And then my bowl is with a fork.
Because of slime.
And yeah. And if you don't have activator, that's okay. You could just use Tide. Okay? Here you have it right there.
Alright, let's get started. Where we go first?
Baking soda and contact lens solution.
Or use baking. If you want to make it, use baking soda, contact solution, and that will make activator. Okay?
Right,
so first off, we're gonna be doing the glue. Okay? Which one do you want?
I guess they're clear.
Okay, so now I'll use
Let's
white.
do this. Let's pour this glue. Did I make it slime the first time? How much?
It depends on how much you want.
I think I put too much.
No, that's good. And if we run out, we could just go buy some more.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, like nothing's happening to the wall.
Then what?
So now we're gonna set off the glue. Okay. Now we are gonna be mixing it just to make it like good. Okay.
Too much.
No, it's okay.
Alright.
Okay, now you will need the activator, which is Tide. Actually, you need to add glitter if you want some. Do you want glitter?
No, I'm gonna make no more slime.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna put these things first.
Those? No, you need to put those after.
Oh, after?
Yeah. Or you can put it right now, if you want.
Alright, let's put it right now. Okay, alright. I think that's good, right? Yeah, you have to show the camera. People say it's not fake. It's not real. This is real.
Okay, and then I'm gonna just add like a pink.
Should you use pink?
Okay.
Might use wherever these foam balls, right?
Just open it with some scissors. Okay.
Alright.
And
You got the scissors. this.
And then you can add as much as you want, and I'm just gonna like add it.
Oh.
All of it.
Clear. I think I put too much, guys. Comment below. I think I put too much. I think you guys did it